Down here in Lancaster today, we're getting ready to install the Zambelli copper gutter system on this side of the cedar shake roof before a new roof goes on. So we have our rig set up. You can see the old system up there. We'll be taking that down and replacing it with a higher volume system.
Okay, we're taking the old cedar shingle roof off here. We can see this is super deteriorated along the edge. What we're concerned about is that roof board down there, because it is an old board. As we can tell here, it's got some pretty serious cracking in. There's some water. This is on some water infiltration for sure. This is on the north side of the building, so this side of the building does not get any kind of sun really to dry it out. Maybe a little bit of sun, but it's staying damp a long time. We can see how the edge here, look at that, completely rotten away. Now this whole cedar shingle roof will be being replaced by a roofer after we finish our edge detail here on the roof. So we'll just keep progressing along. There's a little shot of the roof edge. Crown molding there on the soffit, really shot. Yes, that roof hanger is barely hanging on to anything. We didn't install the gutters before the roof was taken off because we didn't want the gutters to get all beat up. You know, when you take an old roof off and you have nice, shiny, bright copper that can easily be dented, we just didn't want that gutter system to be installed permanently. So what we did was we installed all of the roof-mounted hangers into that new cypress board like you see in the other part of this video. We ended up soldering it, getting it all put together, and then removing it so that the roof could be demoed. Now that the roof has been demoed, we have a new cedar shake roof up here, and it just looks great. The roofers did a great job. Now all those gutter hangers are protected underneath the shingles. This is the way the gutters are installed in Europe. It's just a really great way to install when you're doing a roof tear-off like this, to get those hangers in there. Now, this part of the process today, we'll be putting the gutter in, attaching it to the downspout. You can see the downspouts already up on the far left-hand side here, and we'll get it all put together so it can start functioning. just got our gutter system installed here. Brand new cedar shake roof. Have the system installed. We had actually pre-installed this prior to the roof going on, and then came back after the roofers had installed the roof so that the gutter didn't get bent up during the tear-off process. This is the Zambelli system, 20-ounce copper. This is a 5-inch system, so it's a little bit smaller than the 6 that we have on the upper part of the house here. We have the outside miters. We have the star outlet downspout here that's smooth as well, and it has these great gutter hangers, the downspout brackets, I'm sorry. These are the gutter hangers right here, and as you can see, these gutter hangers go up and underneath on the inside of this board. And so we have that all prepared, pre-prepared. We prepared that last week before the roofers tore off the old roof. So we had everything in alignment, everything was perfect. They were able to take the old roof off and then install this new cedar shingle roof.